This video will introduce you to Boomea's Quick Call feature. Quick Call gives you the ability to initiate an outbound call or manage an active call by completing a drag and drop transfer or simply ending the call. First, let's initiate an outbound call. From Quick Call, select your device from the drop-down menu. I am selecting my desk phone. Using either your computer keypad or the Quick Call dial pad, enter the phone number or extension number. To activate the call, hit Enter or click the green Call button. Once the call is initiated, select Manage Calls to see the active call. Caller ID will show, and you have a red End Call icon to end the call. Click or simply hang up on your desk phone. Now, let's complete a drag and drop transfer. You will need your operator console, which shows all phone users in your company. This is found on the left-hand side of Boomea. Click to open. To complete a drag and drop transfer, do a left side click and hold down on the active call. As you hold down, you can now move the call with your mouse and drag it over to the name of the user you want to transfer the call to. Once you have the call directly over the top and they are highlighted, release your mouse click. The call is now transferred. It's just that easy.